What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to record your screen on a Samsung mobile device. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. To begin, swipe down from the top of your Samsung device's screen to access the notification menu. This is where you find various quick settings. Tap on the three dots on the top right corner to access the edit buttons. This allows you to customize your quick settings. Within the edit menu, look for the screen recorder icon. Once you find it, drag it down to your active quick settings. Now that you've added the screen recorder, it's ready to use. To begin recording your screen, tap on the screen recorder icon in your quick settings menu. You are now recording your screen on your Samsung device. Whether it's for sharing tutorials, capturing gameplay, or saving memorable moments, screen recording is at your fingertips. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.